You can start your preen routine anytime before or during the growing season. There are always new weed seeds ready to sprout. Early spring is the optimal time to apply the first round of preen, but it's not the only time to apply a first round. Anytime you begin, preen will start to work, preventing new seeds from sprouting and rooting. If you start plants from seed, wait until the shoots are 2 to 3 inches tall before applying preen around them. Preen is very easy to apply. You just sprinkle it onto the soil or mulch. Exact application rate is on the label. Generally, figure 1 ounce per 10 square feet for preen garden weed preventer and just under 2/3 of an ounce for preen weed preventer for southern gardens. As a rule of thumb, the granules should be spaced approximately as you see them here, relative to a quarter coin. Use the same amount of preen regardless of whether you're applying it directly onto the soil or on top of the mulch. Apply preen when the garden is dry. If you apply when wet, the granules can stick to the leaves. This can cause leaf damage or discoloration. It's very important to water in preen. Water activates preen. You may water with a hose or sprinkler or rain if a soaking rain is expected in the next day or so. After you water in any new application, don't allow people or pets to walk in the bed until it is once again dry. If you can't water it in immediately and no rain falls within 2 days, use a rake to work the granules into the soil or mulch. Until preen is activated by water and bonded to the soil, it can be weakened by extended sunlight, even on cloudy days. For maximum weed prevention, apply preen again in mid-season. And that's it. The preen way to a wonderful and weed-free garden. As with any gardening product, it's important to read the product label and follow instructions. You can also find preen labels and lots more easy care gardening information on www.preen.com. While you're there, sign up to receive the Preen email garden and landscaping tips for timely updates and ideas on gardening and outdoor living. For Preen, I'm Chris Holliday. Happy gardening.